Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So that day, Popcross Studios posted a video of him and Ben Mellinger art collaborating to draw 4 original superhero characters for a face-off. I think it's a cool idea and even I wanted to try it because I love drawing original characters. They challenged us to draw our own heroes and post it on Instagram or make a video on it. So first I'll finish this outline and I'll tell you more about the superheroes in detail while coloring it. So I'm done with the outline and I think it looks good. Now on to the coloring part. It's time to tape down the drawing, but first sticking some cloth fiber to reduce the stickiness so that the paper won't tear while peeling off in the end. So the first character is a boy who has an ability to control the ancient animal spirits. His name is Luca and he belonged to a tribe of people who worship the spirits of the jungle. The spirits gifted Luca to the tribe and when he grows up he will be the protector of this tribe. But there were the dark forces who wanted to possess the power of Luca. So they kidnapped him. Luca was just a baby when he was kidnapped and had no idea what was going on. He was being taken to the dark world and the gateway was far beyond the jungle. Luckily he was spotted by Sky Guardian who rescued Luca and brought to Orana, the enchantress. Luca was raised by Orana and helped him develop his power to grow stronger. Orana always treated Luca as her own son. After growing up, Luca found his village and now he is the protector of his village. He has an amazing strength, agility and intelligence. Whenever there's any foreign invader causing harm to the jungle, Orana would send Luca to chase them away. Luca would not show himself, but used his skill to chase away the invaders. People say they saw werewolf, Bigfoot and other jungle monster. Actually it was Luca. So on to the next character. His name is Richard Fox, also known as the Bolt. He was actually a scientist and worked as a weapon creator for the government. His team created a new weapon that could generate electricity and concentrate that lightning bolt to hit a certain target, sort of like an electric ray gun. While testing that gun, it blasted and all the energy was transferred to Richard. He survived the blast, but this gave him the power to transform himself into electricity. In the beginning, he could not control his power, and the lightning would hit anything that conducts electricity. He then took the principle of his gun to create a suit for himself, which helps him control the lightning. His suit helps him to transfer all his energy to his hands and hit any target that he aimed at. But that's not all. He can travel from one place to another at the speed of light. But for that, there had to be something that attracts electricity, like an electrical line or clouds. If the sky is cloudy enough, then the clouds are the best way for his traveling. So on to the next character. Her name is Orana, the Enchantress. She is actually from the Dark World and is supposed to be the queen of the Dark World. But right now, there is some other dark energy that is ruling it. She used to serve that dark energy, but now she left it and came back to this dimension. She can easily travel between these two dimensions. Her eyes contain some really powerful dark energy, which is difficult to control, so she always covers it up. She also has a magical power and can turn any non-living things into a living being. She made lots of golems from rocks to guard the jungle. Right now she is like the queen living in the jungle. She can also possess any weak souls. Maybe she will return back to the Dark World and claim her throne. But for now she is learning to control her dark powers, or else the dark powers will control her. So this is the last character. He is known as the Sky Guardian. He rules the sky and can control the weather for a few distance. That's how he travels inside the clouds without letting anyone notice him. He is the one who saved Luca from kidnapping and brought him to Orana. He is one of the descendants of Phoenix, or one of his form. He has the ability to generate fire and control it. The ability to control weather and form clouds helps Bolt to increase his power and can travel faster. Together, all of them are a great team.
Treading on a thin line, hitting rock bottom.
So this is the final product. Let's see how it looks with the Popcross Studio's drawing. So I hope you like this video and my drawing. Also check out the original collaboration of Popcross Studio and Ben Mellinger art. I'll leave the link in the description. They have an amazing content. Hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell to get updated when I post my next video. Also, you can check out my other videos too. Till then, thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time.